Tortilla de patatas. This dish will transport you directly to Spain. It's tall, soft, and delicious.
Vamos.
Let's start with the potatoes. First, peel them and chop them into cubes, around 1 centimeter. Throw the potatoes in a bowl, and now it's time for the onions. Peel them and cut them into thin strips like this. In a hot pan, drizzle in a good amount of olive oil and throw in the diced potatoes. Keep that at medium heat and cook the potatoes for 5 minutes. Now add in the onions and mix well. Let's cover the pan with a lid and let it cook slowly for about 10 minutes. Remove the lid and transfer the mixture into a strainer. This will help us drain off the excess oil. This way, we will cool down the potatoes and onions. But do not throw away the oil. We will need it for the tortilla. It's time to make the eggs. Go ahead and season them with some salt and pepper. And now, using a whisk, break the eggs and give them a scramble. Please don't beat the eggs excessively. They just need to be broken up and mixed well together. Take the cooled potatoes and onions, and we can add them to the eggs. Give that a generous mix. The pan is hot, and it contains the oil that we kept from the potatoes and onions. Now we can cook the tortilla. Carefully settle the potato and onion mixture in the pan. Cover the pan with a lid and cook over low heat for 16 minutes. Now, how can you tell if it's time to flip the tortilla? The first sign is that it easily detaches from the walls of the pan. As for the tortilla, just the middle area though, will still look a little bit wet. But don't worry, that's the right texture. Use a plate to help flip it. Be very careful not to get burned, okay?
1, 2.
Look how nice and brown. Put it back into the pan. Settle it in with the help of a spatula so that we can keep the shape nice and round. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for another 4 minutes. Still on low heat. Would you look at how our tortilla de patatas shines? And now, let's give it a taste.
Muy buena.
You have to try it.
Ciao.